Whoa! You're like a little like parrot. Like, what are you? Hi! Welcome back to another video, part of my 14 days of love here on my channel and on my Instagram and on all the social media. We're gonna be doing a Valentine's Day skincare tutorial. I went through my whole skincare collection and I picked out anything, literally anything that reminded me of Valentine's Day. So that is what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna hang out with you guys, tell you about these products that I chose, what I love about them. Some I've never tried before, but they're so cute. If you were able to discover any really cool products for Valentine's Day, please comment them down below because I wanna get my hands on them, because I'm feeling like Valentine's Day is gonna be a nice, like, masking and stuff my face with food kind of day this year. What do you guys think? All right, so let's get into today's video. Mwah. First, I'm gonna use the Rose Cleansing Foam from Fresh Beauty to really just cleanse the skin. And we're gonna be cute because it's Valentine's Day. And this little brush that I am using is from Tarte. I think it usually comes with like some of their skincare. Now before I take off the cleanser, I'm actually going to exfoliate a little bit. This is the Say I Love You Dr. Brandt Micro Dermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. This is their limited edition one that I have in hand, and it's got a heart on it and it says hashtag Say I Love You. Say I love you to everyone you know today. Call up your mom, call up your dad, call up your man. Say I love you. Tell someone how much you care about them today. Do it. So I really only need a little bit of this. I usually use this in the shower, but it feels so good. And you don't have to press hard either. This does the work for you. Alright guys, now it's time for masks. I have a lot of masks here, but I kind of want to use all of them. So we're going to continue to clean our face, really get everything out of our pores. I have this cute little mask right here from Mamond. That's totally wrong. I don't know how to say it. I have no idea how to say it. I'm sorry. But this is their Petal Purifying Bubble Mask. It is rose. And it says, the strength of beauty can be discovered in flowers, inspired by flowers. So their whole skincare line, I believe, is inspired by flowers. And they have some really pretty packaging. I mean, how cute. So we're gonna put this all over our skin to further cleanse. This is really interesting. I've never seen a bubble mask like this. This almost looks like a clay mask, but it's gonna turn into bubbles. Oh, okay. I see it. It's happening fast. Oh. Wow, this is one of the coolest bubble masks I have ever tried, you guys. So we're gonna leave this on for maybe like a minute, and then we're going to massage it back into our skin. We're gonna get a little water on this, and we're just going to rub it into the skin. Now my face feels like super clean. Super clean. So next I have some fun masks. We're gonna be like multi-masking all at once. First I'm going to pop on the Bliss Holographic Foil Eye Masks. They're called I Got This, because I got this. And they depuff and brighten. Look at how cute these are. Oh. Too bad they're not hearts, right? That would have been perfect. And then I have two masks here. I have the Boscia Luminizing Pink Mask. It's the peel off mask from Boscia, but it's pink. And then I have the Too Faced Glow Job Glitter Mask. So they're both very similar. They're both kind of like the same mask. So I'm just going to kind of be mixing them up on my face just because I want to use two of them. So let's see what cool things we can do with this. You know, why not? Alright guys, this is how I mix both the masks together, so it'd be really cool if we could peel this all off in one shot, but we will see. I'm gonna let this sit on my face for about 20 to 30 minutes. Usually these masks take a little bit longer to actually sit and dry, so I'm gonna go eat some food. I'll be back. Alright guys, so the next product we're going to be using is this cute little mask right here. This is from a company called Cartesia. I don't know. On one side there's the Sarcandra Glabra Fiber Sheet Mask for oily skin. Hello train, thank you for joining us. And then we have the Rose Fiber Sheet Mask for dry skin on the other side. So I want to use the more moisturizing side of the sheet mask. So there's actually two sheet masks here. You just rip it in half. You can share it with your loved one or your best friend or something. I'm actually going to tone my face before using this mask because I'm kind of use this as an addition to my serum. So I'm going to use the Bio Peel from Neogen Dermalogy. Wow, there's so many things I can't say. These are their gauze peeling wine pads. I love these. I used their entire pack. I think they were the lemon ones. I used the entire thing and I love them. They smell so good. If you like grapes and wine, and I don't even like the smell of grapes, but this smells so good. Figured these were suitable because usually you have a glass of wine on Valentine's Day. They're purple or pink, you know. So I'm gonna use the soft side first. And then I flip it over to the other side. Ooh, it's like a weird color. Alright, so we're going to leave this on for about 15-20 minutes, and then we're going to come back. Hello! So we're just going to rub all the serum into our skin. Now I'm going to use this gorgeous serum right here. Isn't it so pretty? This is from Private Doctor's, their Define Minus serum. It's to minimize lines, create definition. We're going to use this in mixture with the serum from the mask we just used. For eye cream, I chose the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Rescue. Reason being is because I just felt like this was a good addition to our Valentine's Day routine, and it's a great eye cream. Charlotte Tilbury has some great products. Alright guys, so for moisturizer, I have two options. I have the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer from Glow Recipe. I also have the Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. This is going to be much better for dry skin, and this is going to be for those of you that have a more oily skin. So my skin has been much more dry lately, so I'm going to go ahead and use the Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream, but just wanted to give you guys some options, and this one smells absolutely amazing. Oh, can I just use both? Can I use both? Is that okay? Alright guys, to finish off this Valentine's Day super pink skincare routine, I have the Patchology Lip Service. It's a gloss to balm. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning into my Valentine's Day skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed it. And like I said in the beginning of the video, let me know if there are any products that you guys know of that are like very Valentine's Day inspired and very like heart and glittery and pink and red and purple. Comment those down below. I want to go exploring and see if I can find any more cool products. But I hope you guys enjoyed this super pink skincare routine. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen on my face, and check out all of my other videos right here on the side. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon.